ربما يود الذين كفروا لو كانوا مسلمين.
The disbelievers will ardently desire that they were Muslims.
ذرهم يأكلوا ويتمتعوا ويلههم الأمل فسوف يعلمون.
Leave them to eat and enjoy and let hope make them heedless. Then soon they will come to know.
وما أهلكنا من قرية إلا ولها كتاب معلوم.
And we did not destroy a village except that it had a written specified term.
ما تسبق من أمة أجلها وما يستأخرون.
No nation shall hasten its term nor defer it.
وقالوا يا أيها الذي نزل عليه الذكر إنك لمجنون.
And they, the disbelievers, said, O you upon whom the Quran was revealed, indeed you are insane.
لو ما تأتينا بالملائكة إن كنت من الصادقين.
Why do you not bring forth angels to us if you are among the truthful?
ما ننزل الملائكة إلا بالحق وما كانوا إذا منظرين.
And we do not send down angels except with the truth, and then people are not given respite.
إنا نحن نزلنا الذكر وإنا له لحافظون.
Surely we revealed this Quran and surely we preserve it.
ولقد أرسلنا من قبلك في شيع الأولين.
And we certainly sent messengers before you in previous communities.
وما يأتيهم من رسول إلا كانوا به يستهزئون.
And no messenger came to them except that they mocked him.
كذلك نسلكه في قلوب المجرمين.
Thus we placed it in the hearts of the transgressors.
لا يؤمنون به وقد خلت سنة الأولين.
They do not believe in it, even though the way of previous communities has come to pass.
ولو فتحنا عليهم بابا من السماء فظلوا فيه يعرجون.
And were we to open for them a door in the heavens, that they ascend therein by day,
لقالوا إنما سكرت أبصارنا بل نحن قوم مسحورون.
even then they would certainly say, Our eyes have been closed. In fact, we are a bewitched nation.
وَلَقَدْ جَعَلْنَا فِي السَّمَاءِ بُرُوجًا وَزَيَّنَّاهَا لِلنَّاظِرِينَ.
We have certainly created constellations in the sky and beautified them for observers.
وَحَفِظْنَاهَا مِنْ كُلِّ شَيْطَانٍ رَجِيمٍ.
We have protected them from every accursed devil.
إلا من استرق السمع فأتبعه شهاب مبين.
Except whosoever proceeds secretly to listen, then a bright star pursues him.
والأرض مددناها وألقينا فيها رواسي وأنبتنا فيها من كل شيء موزون.
And we spread the earth and placed anchors therein, and brought forth in it everything with specific measure.
وجعلنا لكم فيها معايش ومن لستم له برازقين.
And we made for you provisions of living, and those for whom you do not provide.
وإن من شيء إلا عندنا خزائنه وما ننزله إلا بقدر معلوم.
And we have the treasures of everything, and we do not send it down except in a known measure.
وأرسلنا الرياح لواقح فأنزلنا من السماء ماء فأسقيناكموه وما أنتم له بخازنين.
We sent winds which filled clouds with water, then sent down water from the sky. Then we granted it to you to drink, and you are not its treasurers.
وَإِنَّا لَنَحْنُ نُحْيِي وَنُمِيتُ وَنَحْنُ الْوَارِثُونَ.
We alone give life and cause death, and we alone inherit.
وَلَقَدْ عَلِمْنَا الْمُسْتَقْدِمِينَ مِنكُمْ وَلَقَدْ عَلِمْنَا الْمُسْتَأْخِرِينَ.
We certainly know those who proceed among you, and we certainly know those who follow.
وَإِنَّ رَبَّكَ هُوَ يَحْشُرُهُمْ إِنَّهُ حَكِيمٌ عَلِيمٌ.
Your Lord will resurrect them. Certainly He is most wise, all-knowing.
وَلَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ مِنْ صَلْصَالٍ مِنْ حَمَإٍ مَسْنُونٍ.
We created mankind out of reverberating dry clay from black, malodorous mud.
وَالْجَانَّ خَلَقْنَاهُ مِنْ قَبْلُ مِنْ نَارِ السَّمُومِ.
And the jinn, we created them before that from smokeless fire.
وَإِذْ قَالَ رَبُّكَ لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ إِنِّي خَالِقٌ بَشَرًا مِّن صَلْصَالٍ مِّنْ حَمَإٍ مَسْنُونٍ.
And remember when your Lord said to the angels, "Indeed, I am about to create a human out of reverberating clay from black, malodorous mud.
فَإِذَا سَوَّيْتُهُ وَنَفَخْتُ فِيهِ مِنْ رُوحِي فَقَعُوا لَهُ سَاجِدِينَ."
So when I have formed him and blown into him a chosen soul from my court, then fall into prostration to him.
فَسَجَدَ الْمَلَائِكَةُ كُلُّهُمْ أَجْمَعُونَ.
So all the angels prostrated together.
إلا إبليس أبى أن يكون مع الساجدين.
Except Iblis, Satan, he refused to be with those who prostrated.
قال يا إبليس ما لك ألا تكون مع الساجدين.
He, Allah, said, O Iblis, what happened to you that you were not with those who prostrated?
قال لم أكن لأسجد لبشر خلقته من صلصال من حمأ مسنون.
He said, It is not for me that I prostrate to a human who you created out of reverberating dry clay from black malodorous mud.
قال فاخرج منها فإنك رجيم.
He, Allah, said, Leave from here. Indeed, you are accursed.
وإن عليك اللعنة إلى يوم الدين.
And indeed, the curse is upon you until the day of judgment.
قال رب فأنظرني إلى يوم يبعثون.
He said, O my Lord, just grant me respite until the day when people shall be resurrected.
قال فإنك من المنظرين.
He, Allah, said, So indeed you are among those given respite
إلى يوم الوقت المعلوم.
until the day of a known time.
قال رب بما أغويتني لأزينن لهم في الأرض ولأغوينهم أجمعين.
He said, O my Lord, I swear that you misguided me. I shall most definitely beautify it, sin for them in the earth, and I will most certainly misguide them all.
إلا عبادك منهم المخلصين.
Except those among them who are your chosen ones.
قال هذا صراط علي مستقيم.
He, Allah, said, This is the straight path to me.
إن عبادي ليس لك عليهم سلطان إلا من اتبعك من الغاوين.
Indeed, you have no power over my people except for those who follow you among the misguided.
وإن جهنم لموعدهم أجمعين.
And indeed, hell is the promise for them all.
لها 7 أبواب لكل باب منهم جزء مقسوم.
It has 7 doors. For every door, there is a divided part of them.
إن المتقين في جنات وعيون.
Indeed, the pious will be in gardens and springs.
ادخلوها بسلام آمنين.
And they will be commanded, enter them in peace, safe and sound.
ونزعنا ما في صدورهم من غل إخوانا على سرر متقابلين.
And we shall draw out malice from their hearts. They will be brothers upon thrones facing one another.
لا يمسهم فيها نصب وما هم منها بمخرجين.
No harm will come to them therein, and they will not be expelled from it.
نبئ عبادي أني أنا الغفور الرحيم.
Inform my people that indeed I am the most forgiving, the most merciful.
وأن عذابي هو العذاب الأليم.
And surely my punishment is the painful punishment.
ونبئهم عن ضيف إبراهيم.
And inform them about the guests of Ibrahim.
إذ دخلوا عليه فقالوا سلاما قال إنا منكم وجلون.
And when they came to him, they said, Salam, peace. He, Ibrahim, said, Indeed, we are afraid of you.
قالوا لا توجل إنا نبشرك بغلام عليم.
They said, Be not afraid. Indeed, we give you glad tidings of a knowledgeable boy, son.
قال أبشرتموني على أن مسني الكبر فبم تبشرون.
He said, Do you give me glad tidings while old age has reached me? So what do you give me glad tidings of?
قالوا بشرناك بالحق فلا تكن من القانطين.
They said, We have given you glad tidings of truth, so be not of those who despair.
قال ومن يقنط من رحمة ربه إلا الضالون.
He, Ibrahim, said, Who despairs of the mercy of his Lord other than the misguided?
قال فما خطبكم أيها المرسلون.
He said, So what is your task now, O messengers?
قالوا إنا أرسلنا إلى قوم مجرمين.
They said, Indeed, we have been sent to a transgressing nation.
إلا آل لوط إنا لمنجوهم أجمعين.
Excluding the family of Lut, indeed we shall save them all.
إلا امرأته قدرنا إنها لمن الغابرين.
Except for his wife, we have decided that she is certainly of those who remain behind.
فلما جاء آل لوط المرسلون.
So when the angels came to the family of Lut,
قال إنكم قوم منكرون.
he, Lut, said, Indeed, you are unknown people.
قالوا بل جئناك بما كانوا فيه يمترون.
They said, Rather, we have brought to you that which they were doubting.
وأتيناك بالحق وإنا لصادقون.
We have come to you with the truth, and we are indeed truthful.
فأسر بأهلك بقطع من الليل واتبع أدبارهم ولا يلتفت منكم أحد وامضوا حيث تؤمرون.
So take your family during the night and follow them, and let no one among you turn around, and proceed to where you are commanded.
وقضينا إليه ذلك الأمر أن دابر هؤلاء مقطوع مصبحين.
We decreed to him this command that their roots shall be severed in the morning.
وجاء أهل المدينة يستبشرون.
And the inhabitants of the city came, rejoicing.
قال إن هؤلاء ضيفي فلا تفضحون.
He, Lut, said, Indeed, these are my guests, so do not embarrass me.
واتقوا الله ولا تخزون.
And fear Allah, and do not disgrace me.
قالوا أولم ننهك عن العالمين.
They said, Did we not forbid you from interfering in the affairs of others?
قال هؤلاء بناتي إن كنتم فاعلين.
He said, These are the women of the nation, my daughters, if you must act.
لعمرك إنهم لفي سكرتهم يعمهون.
Dear beloved Prophet, by your life, indeed they are blindly wandering in their intoxication.
فأخذتهم الصيحة مشرقين.
So the piercing cry seized them as the sun rose.
فجعلنا عاليها سافلها وأمطرنا عليهم حجارة من سجيل.
So we made its upper part into its lower part, and showered stones upon them made from baked clay.
إن في ذلك لآيات للمتوسمين.
Indeed, in this there are certainly signs for those who contemplate.
وإنها لبسبيل مقيم.
Surely they exist along a path that is still present.
إن في ذلك لآية للمؤمنين.
In this there are certainly signs for people of faith.
وإن كان أصحاب الأيكة لظالمين.
And the inhabitants of the dense forest were certainly oppressors.
فانتقمنا منهم وإنهما لبإمام مبين.
So we inflicted retribution upon them, and indeed both villages exist on a clear path.
ولقد كذب أصحاب الحجر المرسلين.
And the inhabitants of Hijr certainly denied the messengers.
وآتيناهم آياتنا فكانوا عنها معرضين.
And we granted them our signs, then they turned away from them.
وكانوا ينحتون من الجبال بيوتا آمنين.
And they used to hew homes in mountains unafraid.
فأخذتهم الصيحة مصبحين.
Then they were seized by a piercing cry in the morning.
فما أغنى عنهم ما كانوا يكسبون.
So what they used to earn did not avail them at all.
وما خلقنا السماوات والأرض وما بينهما إلا بالحق وإن الساعة لآتية فاصفح الصفح الجميل.
And we created the heavens and the earth, and all that lies between them, with the truth. Indeed, the hour is coming, so pardon gracefully.
إن ربك هو الخلاق العليم.
Indeed, your Lord, He is the supreme creator, the all-knowing.
ولقد آتيناك سبعا من المثاني والقرآن العظيم.
And we certainly granted you 7 verses, recited repeatedly, and the glorious Quran.
لا تمدن عينيك إلى ما متعنا به أزواجا منهم ولا تحزن عليهم واخفض جناحك للمؤمنين.
Do not look upon that with which we granted benefit to factions among them, and do not grieve upon them, and lower your wing of mercy towards Muslims.
وقل إني أنا النذير المبين.
And say, indeed, I am a clear warner.
كما أنزلنا على المقتسمين.
Just as we have sent down upon the dividers,
الذين جعلوا القرآن عضين.
those who made the Quran into parts.
فوربك لنسألنهم أجمعين.
So by your Lord, we shall most definitely ask them all.
عما كانوا يعملون.
Regarding what they used to do.
فاصدع بما تؤمر وأعرض عن المشركين.
Just proclaim what you have been commanded and turn away from the polytheists.
إنا كفيناك المستهزئين.
We shall suffice you against those who mock.
الذين يجعلون مع الله إلها آخر فسوف يعلمون.
Those who associate another God with Allah, soon they shall come to know.
ولقد نعلم أنك يضيق صدرك بما يقولون.
And we certainly know that your heart is saddened by what they say.
فسبح بحمد ربك وكن من الساجدين.
So glorify with the praise of your Lord and be of those who prostrate.
واعبد ربك حتى يأتيك اليقين.
And worship your Lord until death comes to you. Surah Al-Nahl, the bee. This surah is Meccan, containing 16 sections and 128 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
أتى أمر الله فلا تستعجلوه سبحانه وتعالى عما يشركون.
The decree of Allah is coming, so do not seek it in haste. He is pure and exalted above what they ascribe as partners.
ينزل الملائكة بالروح من أمره على من يشاء من عباده أن أنذروا أنه لا إله إلا أنا فاتقون.
And he sends down angels, carrying revelation with his command upon whomsoever he wills from his people, that you warn that there is none worthy of worship but me, so fear me.
خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق تعالى عما يشركون.
He created the heavens and the earth with the truth. He is exalted above what they ascribe as partners.
خلق الإنسان من نطفة فإذا هو خصيم مبين.
He created man from a droplet of semen. Then man became a clear adversary.
والأنعام خلقها لكم فيها دفء ومنافع ومنها تأكلون.
And he created the animals. In them there is a warm covering and many benefits for you, and you eat from them.
ولكم فيها جمال حين تريحون وحين تسرحون.
And in them there is adornment for you when you bring them back in the evening, and when you leave them to graze in the morning.
وتحمل أثقالكم إلى بلد لم تكونوا بالغيه إلا بشق الأنفس إن ربكم لرؤوف رحيم.
And they carry your loads to the city which you cannot reach without great difficulty to yourselves. Indeed, your Lord is certainly most compassionate, most merciful.
والخيل والبغال والحمير لتركبوها وزينة ويخلق ما لا تعلمون.
And the horse, the mule, and the donkey, that you may ride them, and they are adornment for you, and he shall soon create what you do not know.
وعلى الله قصد السبيل ومنها جائر ولو شاء لهداكم أجمعين.
And it is upon Allah's bestowal to show the straight path, and among paths there is a deviating one too, and had he willed, he would certainly have guided you all.
هو الذي أنزل من السماء ماء لكم منه شراب ومنه شجر فيه تسيمون.
It is he who sends down water from the sky for you, from which you drink, and from it trees grow with which you graze animals.
ينبت لكم به الزرع والزيتون والنخيل والأعناب ومن كل الثمرات إن في ذلك لآية لقوم يتفكرون.
He brings forth from it crops, and olives, and date palms, and grapes, and all kinds of fruit for you. Surely in this there is certainly a sign for those who contemplate.
وسخر لكم الليل والنهار والشمس والقمر والنجوم مسخرات بأمره إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يعقلون.
And he set in motion for you the night and the day, and the sun and the moon, and the stars are bound by his command. Indeed, in this there are certainly signs for the people of intelligence.
وما ذرأ لكم في الأرض مختلفا ألوانه إن في ذلك لآية لقوم يذكرون.
And whatever he created for you in the earth of varying colours, certainly in this there is a sign for people who accept advice.
وهو الذي سخر البحر لتأكلوا منه لحما طريا وتستخرجوا منه حلية تلبسونها وترى الفلك مواخر فيه ولتبتغوا من فضله ولعلكم تشكرون.
And it is he who granted you control over the sea, that you consume fresh meat from it, and extract ornaments, pearls and corals, which you wear, and you see ships sailing therein, and so that you seek his grace, that you may be grateful.
وألقى في الأرض رواسي أن تميد بكم وأنهارا وسبلا لعلكم تهتدون.
And he placed anchors in the earth, lest it should move with you, and he created rivers and paths that you may find the way.
وعلامات وبالنجم هم يهتدون.
And many signs, and they find the way through the stars.
أفمن يخلق كمن لا يخلق أفلا تذكرون.
So is he who creates like he who does not create? Do you not accept advice?
وإن تعدوا نعمة الله لا تحصوها إن الله لغفور رحيم.
And were you to count the blessings of Allah, you will not be able to enumerate them. Allah is most forgiving, most merciful.
والله يعلم ما تسرون وما تعلنون.
And Allah knows what you conceal and what you reveal.
والذين يدعون من دون الله لا يخلقون شيئا وهم يخلقون.
And those whom they worship other than Allah do not create anything. In fact, they themselves are created.
أموات غير أحياء وما يشعرون أيان يبعثون.
Dead, not living, and they are not aware of when people will be resurrected.
إلهكم إله واحد فالذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة قلوبهم منكرة وهم مستكبرون.
Your God is one God. So those who do not believe in the hereafter, their hearts deny and they are arrogant.
لا جرم أن الله يعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون. إنه لا يحب المستكبرين.
Certainly, Allah knows what they conceal and what they reveal. Indeed, He does not like the arrogant.
وإذا قيل لهم ماذا أنزل ربكم قالوا أساطير الأولين.
And when it is said to them, "What has your Lord sent down?" they say, "The accounts of the previous nations."
ليحملوا أوزارهم كاملة يوم القيامة ومن أوزار الذين يضلونهم بغير علم ألا ساء ما يزرون.
That they may bear their burdens completely on the day of judgment, and some of the burdens of those whom they are misguiding without knowledge. Pay heed, how evil is the burden which they bear.
قد مكر الذين من قبلهم فأتى الله بنيانهم من القواعد فخر عليهم السقف من فوقهم وأتاهم العذاب من حيث لا يشعرون.
Certainly, those who preceded them had plotted. So Allah seized their building from its foundations. Then the roof fell upon them from above, and punishment came upon them from where they were not aware.
ثم يوم القيامة يخزيهم ويقول أين شركائي الذين كنتم تشاقون فيهم قال الذين أوتوا العلم إن الخزي اليوم والسوء على الكافرين.
Then He will humiliate them on the day of judgment, and shall say, "Where are my partners about whom you were disputing?" Those who were granted knowledge will say, "Indeed, all disgrace and misfortune is upon the disbelievers."
الذين تتوفاهم الملائكة ظالمي أنفسهم فألقوا السلم ما كنا نعمل من سوء بلى إن الله عليم بما كنتم تعملون.
Those disbelievers whose souls are taken by the angels while they wrong themselves, so they express a matter of harmony, saying, "We were not committing any evil." The angel shall say, "Of course, indeed Allah knows what you were doing."
فادخلوا أبواب جهنم خالدين فيها فلبئس مثوى المتكبرين.
So enter the doors of hell, you will reside therein forever. So how terrible is the abode of the arrogant.
وقيل للذين اتقوا ماذا أنزل ربكم قالوا خيرا للذين أحسنوا في هذه الدنيا حسنة ولدار الآخرة خير ولنعم دار المتقين.
And when it is said to the pious, "What has your Lord revealed?" they say, "Goodness for those who did good deeds in this world. There is goodness, and undoubtedly the abode of the hereafter is the best. And undoubtedly what a beautiful abode of the pious it is."
جنات عدن يدخلونها تجري من تحتها الأنهار لهم فيها ما يشاءون كذلك يجزي الله المتقين.
There are everlasting gardens which they shall enter. There are rivers flowing beneath them. For them there will be whatever they desire therein. Thus Allah recompenses the pious.
الذين تتوفاهم الملائكة طيبين يقولون سلام عليكم ادخلوا الجنة بما كنتم تعملون.
Those whose souls are taken by the angels while they are pure, they, angels, say, "Peace be upon you. Enter paradise due to your deeds."
هل ينظرون إلا أن تأتيهم الملائكة أو يأتي أمر ربك كذلك فعل الذين من قبلهم وما ظلمهم الله ولكن كانوا أنفسهم يظلمون.
Are they only waiting for the angels to come to them or for the decree of your Lord to come? Those who preceded them did the same. Allah did not oppress them. However, they were oppressing themselves.
فأصابهم سيئات ما عملوا وحاق بهم ما كانوا به يستهزئون.
So the evil deeds they did afflicted them, and they were surrounded by the punishment they were mocking.
وقال الذين أشركوا لو شاء الله ما عبدنا من دونه من شيء نحن ولا آباؤنا ولا حرمنا من دونه من شيء كذلك فعل الذين من قبلهم فهل على الرسل إلا البلاغ المبين.
And the polytheists said, "Had Allah willed, we would not have worshipped anything other than Him, neither us nor our forefathers, and we would not have forbidden anything without His command. Those who preceded them did the same, so it is only incumbent upon the messengers to convey clear preaching."
ولقد بعثنا في كل أمة رسولا أن اعبدوا الله واجتنبوا الطاغوت فمنهم من هدى الله ومنهم من حقت عليه الضلالة فسيروا في الأرض فانظروا كيف كان عاقبة المكذبين.
And certainly we sent a messenger in every nation that you worship Allah and avoid Satan, and among them there are some whom Allah guided, and among them there are some for whom misguidance was established. So explore the earth and see what became of the liars.
إن تحرص على هداهم فإن الله لا يهدي من يضل وما لهم من ناصرين.
If you desire their guidance, so indeed Allah does not guide whomsoever He misguides, and for them there will be no helper.
وأقسموا بالله جهد أيمانهم لا يبعث الله من يموت بلى وعدا عليه حقا ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
And they swore by Allah, striving in their pledge, Allah will not resurrect one who dies. Why not? This true promise is established through His mercy. However, most people do not know.
ليبين لهم الذي يختلفون فيه وليعلم الذين كفروا أنهم كانوا كاذبين.
That He may clearly relate to them that matter regarding which they were disputing, and so that the disbelievers come to know that they were lying.
إنما قولنا لشيء إذا أردناه أن نقول له كن فيكون.
When we intend a matter, then our statement is simply this, that we say to it, be, and it is.
والذين هاجروا في الله من بعد ما غلموا لنبوئنهم في الدنيا حسنة ولأجر الآخرة أكبر لو كانوا يعلمون.
And those who migrated in the way of Allah after being oppressed, we shall most definitely grant them an excellent abode in this world, and certainly the reward of the hereafter is greater, if only they knew.
الذين صبروا وعلى ربهم يتوكلون.
Those who were patient and only placed their trust in their Lord.
وما أرسلنا من قبلك إلا رجالا نوحي إليهم فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون.
And we only sent men before you to whom we would send the revelation. So ask the people of knowledge if you do not know.
بالبينات والزبر وأنزلنا إليك الذكر لتبين للناس ما نزل إليهم ولعلهم يتفكرون.
We sent them with clear evidences and books, and dear beloved Prophet, we reveal this Quran to you, that you may clearly relate to the people what was revealed to them, and that they may contemplate.
أفأمن الذين مكروا السيئات أن يخسف الله بهم الأرض أو يأتيهم العذاب من حيث لا يشعرون.
Have those who plot evil become unafraid of this, that Allah should cause the earth to consume them, or punishment should come to them from where they are unaware?
أو يأخذهم في تقلبهم فما هم بمعجزين.
Or that He should seize them while they are roaming, so they cannot overpower Allah.
أو يأخذهم على تخوف فإن ربكم لرؤوف رحيم.
Or that he should seize them while they are gradually causing loss. Surely your Lord is compassionate, most merciful.
أولم يروا إلى ما خلق الله من شيء يتفيأ ظلاله عن اليمين والشمائل يتفيأ ظلاله عن اليمين والشمائل سجدا لله وهم داخرون.
Did they not see that whatever Allah has created, its shadows incline to the right and the left in prostration to Allah, and they are being submissive?
ولله يسجد ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من دابة والملائكة وهم لا يستكبرون.
And every walking creature in the heavens and in the earth and the angels prostrate to Allah alone, and they do not show conceit.
يخافون ربهم من فوقهم ويفعلون ما يؤمرون.
They fear their Lord upon themselves, and they only do what they are commanded.
وقال الله لا تتخذوا إلهين اثنين إنما هو إله واحد فإياي فارهبون.
And Allah said, do not adopt two gods. He is one God, so only fear me.
وله ما في السماوات والأرض وله الدين واصبا أفغير الله تتقون.
And to him belongs whatever is in the heavens and the earth, and right of obedience is always for him. So will you fear anyone apart from Allah?
وما بكم من نعمة فمن الله ثم إذا مسكم الضر فإليه تجأرون.
And whatever blessings you have, so it is from Allah. Then when distress befalls you, so you cry to him for help.
ثم إذا كشف الضر عنكم إذا فريق منكم بربهم يشركون.
Then when he removes distress from you, a group among you instantly ascribes partners to their Lord.
ليكفروا بما آتيناهم فتمتعوا فسوف تعلمون.
That they may be ungrateful regarding the blessings we granted them. So enjoy for now, then soon you shall come to know.
ويجعلون لما لا يعلمون نصيبا مما رزقناهم تالله لتسألن عما كنتم تفترون.
And they allocate a portion for what they do not know from the sustenance that we have provided them. By Allah, O people, you will most definitely be questioned about that which you were fabricating.
ويجعلون لله البنات سبحانه ولهم ما يشتهون.
And they associate daughters to Allah even though He is pure, and they believe whatever they desire.
وَإِذَا بُشِّرَ أَحَدُهُم بِالْأُنثَىٰ ظَلَّ وَجْهُهُ مُسْوَدًّا وَهُوَ كَظِيمٌ.
And when one of them is given glad tidings of a daughter, his face remains darkened all day, and he is filled with rage.
يَتَوَارَىٰ مِنَ الْقَوْمِ مِن سُوءِ مَا بُشِّرَ بِهِ أَيُمْسِكُهُ عَلَىٰ هُونٍ أَمْ يَدُسُّهُ فِي التُّرَابِ أَلَا سَاءَ مَا يَحْكُمُونَ.
He hides from the people due to the supposed bad news he was given, asking himself, should he keep her alive in disgrace or bury her in the earth? Wicked is their judgment.
لِلَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْآخِرَةِ مَثَلُ السَّوْءِ وَلِلَّهِ الْمَثَلُ الْأَعْلَى وَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ.
For those who do not believe in the hereafter, there is a terrible state. And Allah's greatness is most high. He is the most exalted, the most wise.
وَلَوْ يُؤَاخِذُ اللَّهُ النَّاسَ بِظُلْمِهِم مَّا تَرَكَ عَلَيْهَا مِن دَابَّةٍ ولكن يؤخرهم إلى أجل مسمى فإذا جاء أجلهم لا يستأخرون ساعة ولا يستقدمون.
Were Allah to seize the people due to their oppression, He would not leave a single walking creature upon the earth. However, He grants them respite until a specified time. So when their time shall come, they will neither defer it by a moment, nor will they hasten it.
وَيَجْعَلُونَ لِلَّهِ مَا يَكْرَهُونَ وَتَصِفُ أَلْسِنَتُهُمُ الْكَذِبَ أَنَّ لَهُمُ الْحُسْنَى لَا جَرَمَ أَنَّ لَهُمُ النَّارَ وَأَنَّهُمْ مُفْرَطُونَ.
And they ascribe to Allah what they dislike, and their tongues utter a lie that there is goodness for them. Certainly, for them there is the fire, and they shall be proceeding therein.
تالله لقد أرسلنا إلى أمم من قبلك فزين لهم الشيطان أعمالهم فهو وليهم اليوم ولهم عذاب أليم.
By Allah, we have sent messengers to nations before you, but Satan beautified their deeds for them, so this day he is their companion, and for them there is painful punishment.
وما أنزلنا عليك الكتاب إلا لتبين لهم الذي اختلفوا فيه وهدى ورحمة لقوم يؤمنون.
And we did not send down this book to you, but for this, that you clearly relate to them that matter which they dispute. And this book is guidance and mercy for the people of faith.
والله أنزل من السماء ماء فأحيا به الأرض بعد موتها إن في ذلك لآية لقوم يسمعون.
And Allah sent down water from the sky, through which He gave life to the earth after its death. Certainly, in this there is a sign for those who listen.
وَإِنَّ لَكُمْ فِي الْأَنْعَامِ لَعِبْرَةً نسقيكم مما في بطونه من بين فرث ودم لبنا خالصا سائغا للشاربين.
And indeed in livestock there are matters worthy of contemplation. We give you to drink from that which is in their bellies, between waste and blood, pure milk, easily swallowed by those who drink.
ومن ثمرات النخيل والأعناب تتخذون منه سكرا ورزقا حسنا إن في ذلك لآية لقوم يعقلون.
And from the fruit of the date palm and the grapevines there is fruit from which you extract a drink and good sustenance. Indeed, in this there is certainly a sign for the people of insight.
وأوحى ربك إلى النحل أن اتخذي من الجبال بيوتا ومن الشجر ومما يعرشون.
And your Lord revealed to the bee, make an abode in the mountains and in the trees and in the roofs.
ثم كلي من كل الثمرات فاسلكي سبل ربك ذللا يخرج من بطونها شراب مختلف ألوانه فيه شفاء للناس إن في ذلك لآية لقوم يتفكرون.
Then eat from all kinds of fruit and proceed upon the easy paths of your Lord. A colourful liquid comes out of their bellies. There is healing therein for people. In this there is a sign for those who contemplate.
والله خلقكم ثم يتوفاكم ومنكم من يرد إلى أرذل العمر لكي لا يعلم بعد علم شيئا إن الله عليم قدير.
And Allah has created you, then He shall cause you to die. And among you there is one who is turned to the worst phase of age, so that he does not know anything after having knowledge. Allah is omniscient, omnipotent.
والله فضل بعضكم على بعض في الرزق فما الذين فضلوا براد رزقهم فما الذين فضلوا براد رزقهم على ما ملكت أيمانهم فهم فيه سواء أفبنعمة الله يجحدون.
And Allah has granted excellence to some over others in sustenance. So those who have been granted excellence do not share their sustenance with their slaves, lest they become equal in this regard. So do they deny the blessing of Allah?
والله جعل لكم من أنفسكم أزواجا وجعل لكم من أزواجكم بنين وحفدة ورزقكم من الطيبات أفبالباطل يؤمنون وبنعمة الله هم يكفرون.
And Allah made wives for you from your genus, and He made for you from your wives sons and grandchildren, and He endowed you with sustenance from pure things. So do they only believe in falsehood, and they only disbelieve in the favor of Allah?
ويعبدون من دون الله ما لا يملك لهم رزقا من السماوات والأرض شيئا ولا يستطيعون.
And they worship other than Allah, those who do not have the authority to grant any sustenance from the heavens and the earth, nor do they have the power to do anything.
فلا تضربوا لله الأمثال إن الله يعلم وأنتم لا تعلمون.
So do not ascribe partners to Allah. Indeed, Allah knows and you do not know.
ضرب الله مثلا عبدا مملوكا لا يقدر على شيء ومن رزقناه منا رزقا حسنا فهو ينفق منه سرا وجهرا هل يستوون الحمد لله بل أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
Allah gives a parable of an enslaved individual who has no power over anything, compared to the free person to whom we have granted excellent provision, of which he donates publicly and secretly. Are they equal? All praise is for Allah, but most of them do not know.
وضرب الله مثلا رجلين أحدهما أبكم لا يقدر على شيء وهو كل على مولاه أينما يوجهه لا يأتي بخير هل يستوي هو ومن يأمر بالعدل وهو على صراط مستقيم.
And Allah has stated the example of two men. One of them is dumb. He has no power over anything and is a burden upon his master. Wherever his master sends him, he does not bring forth any goodness. Will he become the same as the one who commands justice and is also upon the straight path?
وَلِلَّهِ غَيْبُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَمَا أَمْرُ السَّاعَةِ إِلَّا كَلَمْحِ الْبَصَرِ أَوْ هُوَ أَقْرَبُ إن الله على كل شيء قدير.
And the unseen knowledge of the heavens and the earth belongs to Allah alone. And the matter of the hour is like the blinking of the eye, or even closer. Allah has power over everything.
والله أخرجكم من بطون أمهاتكم لا تعلمون شيئا وجعل لكم السمع والأبصار والأفئدة لعلكم تشكرون.
And Allah brought you forth from the wombs of your mothers while you did not know anything, and He made for you ears and eyes and hearts that you may be grateful.
ألم يروا إلى الطير مسخرات في جو السماء ما يمسكهن إلا الله إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يؤمنون.
Did they not see the birds made compliant in the open sky? None sustains them except Allah. Surely in this there are certainly signs for the people of faith.
والله جعل لكم من بيوتكم سكنا وجعل لكم من جلود الأنعام بيوتا تستخفونها يوم ظعنكم ويوم إقامتكم ومن أصوافها وأوبارها وأشعارها أثاثا ومتاعا إلى حين.
And Allah has made your homes your residence, and made for you homes from the skin of cattle which you find light to carry during the day of your travel and the day of your stay, and He made from their wool and their fur and their hair utensils and benefit for a term.
والله جعل لكم مما خلق ظلالا وجعل لكم من الجبال أكنانا وجعل لكم سرابيل تقيكم الحر وسرابيل تقيكم بأسكم كذلك يتم نعمته عليكم لعلكم تسلمون.
And Allah has made for you shade from what He created, and He has made for you places of refuge in mountains, and He has made for you clothing to protect you from heat, and clothing to protect you in battle. Thus He completes His favor upon you that you may embrace Islam.
فإن تولوا فإنما عليك البلاغ المبين.
Then if they turn away, so dear beloved Prophet, it is only necessary upon you to clearly convey.
يعرفون نعمة الله ثم ينكرونها وأكثرهم الكافرون.
They recognize the favor of Allah, then deny it, and most of them are disbelievers.
ويوم نبعث من كل أمة شهيدا ثم لا يؤذن للذين كفروا ولا هم يستعتبون.
And remember, on that day, we shall raise a witness from every nation. Then the disbelievers will neither be granted leave, nor will they be asked to return to obedience.
وَإِذَا رَأَى الَّذِينَ ظَلَمُوا الْعَذَابَ فَلَا يُخَفَّفُ عَنْهُمْ وَلَا هُمْ يُنظَرُونَ.
And when the oppressors shall see the punishment, so it will neither be lessened for them, nor will they be granted respite.
وَإِذَا رَأَى الَّذِينَ أَشْرَكُوا شُرَكَاءَهُمْ قَالُوا رَبَّنَا هَؤُلَاءِ شُرَكَاؤُنَا الَّذِينَ كُنَّا نَدْعُو مِن دُونِكَ فَأَلْقَوْا إِلَيْهِمُ الْقَوْلَ إِنَّكُمْ لَكَاذِبُونَ.
And when those who ascribed partners to Allah will see their partners, they will say, O our Lord, these are our additional gods whom we used to worship other than you. So they, the idols, will refute them, saying, Indeed, you are liars.
وَأَلْقَوْا إِلَى اللَّهِ يَوْمَئِذٍ السَّلَمَ وَضَلَّ عَنْهُمْ مَا كَانُوا يَفْتَرُونَ.
And on that day they will request peace before Allah, and what they were fabricating shall forsake them.
الذين كفروا وصدوا عن سبيل الله زدناهم عذابا فوق العذاب بما كانوا يفسدون.
Those who disbelieved and prevented from the way of Allah, we shall increase for them punishment upon punishment due to their discord.
وَيَوْمَ نَبْعَثُ فِي كُلِّ أُمَّةٍ شَهِيدًا عَلَيْهِمْ مِنْ أَنفُسِهِمْ وَجِئْنَا بِكَ شَهِيدًا عَلَى هَؤُلَاءِ وَنَزَّلْنَا عَلَيْكَ الْكِتَابَ تِبْيَانًا لِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ وَهُدًى وَرَحْمَةً وَبُشْرَى لِلْمُسْلِمِينَ.
And remember, on that day, from every nation we shall raise a witness against them from among themselves. And dear beloved Prophet, we shall bring you as a witness over all of them. And we have revealed this book to you, which is a clear statement of everything, and guidance, and mercy, and glad tidings for the Muslims.
إن الله يأمر بالعدل والإحسان وإيتاء ذي القربى وينهى عن الفحشاء والمنكر والبغي يعظكم لعلكم تذكرون.
Allah commands justice and virtue and giving to relatives, and He forbids indecency and every evil deed and oppression. He advises you that you may attain advice.
وَأَوْفُوا بِعَهْدِ اللَّهِ إِذَا عَاهَدتُّمْ وَلَا تَنقُضُوا الْأَيْمَانَ بَعْدَ تَوْكِيدِهَا وَقَدْ جَعَلْتُمُ اللَّهَ عَلَيْكُمْ كَفِيلًا إِنَّ اللَّهَ يَعْلَمُ مَا تَفْعَلُونَ.
and fulfill the oath of Allah when you swear an oath, and do not break your vows after affirming them, while you have made Allah a guarantor over yourselves. Allah knows what you do.
ولا تكونوا كالتي نقضت غزلها من بعد قوة أنكاثا تتخذون أيمانكم دخلا بينكم أن تكون أمة هي أربى من أمة إنما يبلوكم الله به وليبينن لكم يوم القيامة ما كنتم فيه تختلفون.
Do not be like the woman who tore her thread, breaking it into pieces after it had been strung, lest you make your oaths a means of deception among yourselves, as one community is greater in wealth and power than another community. Allah only tests you through this, and on the day of judgment, He shall most definitely clarify for you that which you were disputing.
ولو شاء الله لجعلكم أمة واحدة ولكن يضل من يشاء ويهدي من يشاء ولتسألن عما كنتم تعملون.
And had Allah willed, He would have made you one nation. However, Allah misguides whomsoever He wills, and guides whomsoever He wills, and you will most definitely be questioned regarding what you used to do.
ولا تتخذوا أيمانكم دخلا بينكم فتزل قدم بعد ثبوتها وتذوقوا السوء بما صددتم عن سبيل الله ولكم عذاب عظيم.
And do not make your oaths a means of deception among yourselves, lest feet should slip after being firmly placed, and you will taste punishment due to preventing from the way of Allah, and there will be a severe punishment for you.
ولا تشتروا بعهد الله ثمنا قليلا إنما عند الله هو خير لكم إن كنتم تعلمون.
And do not exchange the oath of Allah for a trivial sum. That which is with Allah is better for you if only you knew.
ما عندكم ينفد وما عند الله باق ولنجزين الذين صبروا أجرهم بأحسن ما كانوا يعملون.
That which is with you will perish, and that which is with Allah will remain, and we shall most definitely grant those who were patient their reward for the excellent deeds they used to do.
من عمل صالحا من ذكر أو أنثى وهو مؤمن فلنحيينه حياة طيبة ولنجزينهم أجرهم بأحسن ما كانوا يعملون.
And whosoever does righteous deeds, whether man or woman, and is a Muslim, then we shall most certainly grant him a pure life, and we shall most definitely grant them their reward for the excellent deeds they used to do.
فإذا قرأت القرآن فاستعذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
So when you begin to recite the Quran, seek refuge with Allah from the accursed Satan.
إنه ليس له سلطان على الذين آمنوا وعلى ربهم يتوكلون.
He has no power over those who believe and place their trust in their Lord.
إنما سلطانه على الذين يتولونه والذين هم به مشركون.
His power is over those who befriend him and those who make him a partner of Allah.
وَإِذَا بَدَّلْنَا آيَةً مَكَانَ آيَةٍ وَاللَّهُ أَعْلَمُ بِمَا يُنَزِّلُ قَالُوا إِنَّمَا أَنْتَ مُفْتَرٍ بَلْ أَكْثَرُهُمْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ.
When we replace the ruling of one verse with another verse, and Allah knows best regarding that which He reveals, they, the disbelievers, say, "You are only a fabricator." Rather, most of them do not know.
قُلْ نَزَّلَهُ رُوحُ الْقُدُسِ مِنْ رَبِّكَ بِالْحَقِّ لِيُثَبِّتَ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَهُدًى وَبُشْرَى لِلْمُسْلِمِينَ.
Say, the sacred spirit, i.e. Jibreel, revealed it from your Lord with the truth that it may make those who believe steadfast, and it is guidance and glad tidings for the Muslims.
وَلَقَدْ نَعْلَمُ أَنَّهُمْ يَقُولُونَ إِنَّمَا يُعَلِّمُهُ بَشَرٌ لِسَانُ الَّذِي يُلْحِدُونَ إِلَيْهِ أَعْجَمِيٌّ وَهَذَا لِسَانٌ عَرَبِيٌّ مُبِينٌ.
And we certainly know that they, the disbelievers, say, a man teaches him. The language of he to whom they ascribe this is foreign, and this Quran is clear Arabic language.
إن الذين لا يؤمنون بآيات الله لا يهديهم الله ولهم عذاب أليم.
Those who disbelieve in the verses of Allah, Allah does not show them the path, and there is painful punishment for them.
إنما يفتري الكذب الذين لا يؤمنون بآيات الله وأولئك هم الكاذبون.
Only those who disbelieve in the verses of Allah ascribe a lie, and those very people are liars.
من كفر بالله من بعد إيمانه إلا من أكره وقلبه مطمئن بالإيمان ولكن من شرح بالكفر صدرا فعليهم غضب من الله ولهم عذاب عظيم.
Whosoever disbelieves in Allah after faith in Him, except he who is compelled while his heart is content with faith, but those who disbelieve defiantly, the wrath of Allah is upon them, and there is a severe punishment for them.
ذلك بأنهم استحبوا الحياة الدنيا على الآخرة وأن الله لا يهدي القوم الكافرين.
This is because they preferred the life of this world over the hereafter, and because Allah does not guide the disbelieving people.
أولئك الذين طبع الله على قلوبهم وسمعهم وأبصارهم وأولئك هم الغافلون.
These are the very people upon whose hearts and ears and eyes Allah has placed a seal, and these very people are heedless.
لا جرم أنهم في الآخرة هم الخاسرون.
Certainly, these people shall be the losers in the hereafter.
ثم إن ربك للذين هاجروا من بعد ما فتنوا ثم جاهدوا وصبروا إن ربك من بعدها لغفور رحيم.
Then indeed your Lord, for those who migrated after they were persecuted, then they performed jihad and were patient. Indeed your Lord thereafter is certainly most forgiving, most merciful.
يوم تأتي كل نفس تجادل عن نفسها وتوفى كل نفس ما عملت وهم لا يظلمون.
Remember on that day, every soul will dispute on behalf of itself, and every soul will be recompensed fully for what it did, and they will not be oppressed.
وضرب الله مثلا قرية كانت آمنة مطمئنة يأتيها رزقها رغدا من كل مكان فكفرت بأنعم الله فأذاقها الله لباس الجوع والخوف بما كانوا يصنعون.
And Allah has stated the example of a village which was peaceful, tranquil. Its sustenance would come to it in abundance from every place. So its inhabitants became ungrateful for the blessings of Allah. Then Allah made them taste the garb of hunger and fear due to what they were doing.
وَلَقَدْ جَاءَهُمْ رَسُولٌ مِّنْهُمْ فَكَذَّبُوهُ فَأَخَذَهُمُ الْعَذَابُ وَهُمْ ظَالِمُونَ.
And certainly a messenger came to them from among them. Then they rejected him, so punishment seized them and they were oppressors.
فَكُلُوا مِمَّا رَزَقَكُمُ اللَّهُ حَلَالًا طَيِّبًا وَاشْكُرُوا نِعْمَةَ اللَّهِ إِن كُنتُمْ إِيَّاهُ تَعْبُدُونَ.
So eat from the lawful pure sustenance which Allah has provided you, and be grateful for the favors of Allah if you worship Him.
إنما حرم عليكم الميتة والدم ولحم الخنزير وما أهل لغير الله به فمن اضطر غير باغ ولا عاد فإن الله غفور رحيم.
He has only prohibited for you the dead carrion and blood and the flesh of swine, and those animals which were slaughtered by calling upon a name other than Allah. So whosoever is forced while he is neither desiring himself nor exceeding limits of necessity, then there is no sin on him. So indeed Allah is most forgiving, most merciful.
ولا تقولوا لما تصف ألسنتكم الكذب هذا حلال وهذا حرام لتفتروا على الله الكذب إن الذين يفترون على الله الكذب لا يفلحون.
And do not say, this is unlawful, and this is lawful, as your tongues utter lies, lest you should ascribe a lie to Allah. Those who ascribe lies to Allah do not triumph.
متاع قليل ولهم عذاب أليم.
There is little enjoyment, and there is painful punishment for them.
وعلى الذين هادوا حرمنا ما قصصنا عليك من قبل وما ظلمناهم ولكن كانوا أنفسهم يظلمون.
And we only prohibited for the Jews that which we related to you previously, and we did not oppress them. However, they were oppressing themselves.
ثم إن ربك للذين عملوا السوء بجهالة ثم تابوا من بعد ذلك وأصلحوا إن ربك من بعدها لغفور رحيم.
Then indeed your Lord, for those who commit evil in ignorance then repent after that and reform themselves. Indeed your Lord thereafter is most forgiving, most merciful.
إن إبراهيم كان أمة قانتا لله حنيفا ولم يك من المشركين.
Ibrahim had all good traits, a leader obedient to Allah and pure from all falsehood, and he was not a polytheist.
شاكرا لأنعمه اجتباه وهداه إلى صراط مستقيم.
Grateful for his favors, Allah chose him and guided him to the straight path.
وآتيناه في الدنيا حسنة وإنه في الآخرة لمن الصالحين.
And we granted him goodness in this world, and in the hereafter he will be among the chosen people.
ثم أوحينا إليك أن اتبع ملة إبراهيم حنيفا وما كان من المشركين.
Then we sent revelation to him. Follow the religion of Ibrahim too, who was pure from all falsehood, and he was not a polytheist.
إنما جعل السبت على الذين اختلفوا فيه وإن ربك ليحكم بينهم يوم القيامة فيما كانوا فيه يختلفون.
The Sabbath was only specified for those who disputed it. Surely your Lord shall judge between them on the day of judgment regarding the matter in which they are disputing.
ادع إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة وجادلهم بالتي هي أحسن إن ربك هو أعلم بمن ضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بالمهتدين.
Call towards the way of your Lord with wisdom and good counsel, and argue with them in the best manner. Your Lord knows best he who has deviated from his way, and he knows best those who have attained guidance.
وَإِنْ عَاقَبْتُمْ فَعَاقِبُوا بِمِثْلِ مَا عُوقِبْتُمْ بِهِ وَلَئِنْ صَبَرْتُمْ لَهُوَ خَيْرٌ لِلصَّابِرِينَ.
And if you are about to punish, then punish with the equivalent of the harm you suffered. And if you are patient, then certainly that is better for the patient.
واصبر وما صبرك إلا بالله ولا تحزن عليهم ولا تك في ضيق مما يمكرون.
And be patient, and your patience is only due to Allah, and do not grieve upon them, and do not be constricted due to that which they plot.
إن الله مع الذين اتقوا والذين هم محسنون.
Indeed, Allah is with those who fear and those who are virtuous.